Hi, I'm Sarah Maxwell, and I want to introduce you to my new obsession, the Livylash Daily Lash Ritual. 3 new products I developed that make up the most effective lash growth system I've ever used. As a professional makeup artist, I've worked with hundreds of high-profile clients, and I'm always looking for the most effective way to have naturally beautiful lashes. Extensions and strip lashes are always an option, but nothing beats long, healthy, natural lashes. That's why I created the Livylash Daily Lash Ritual. The Daily Lash Ritual is made up of 3 products. Length is our growth serum, Layer is our keratin conditioning treatment, and Lavish is our sculpting mascara, all of which are non-toxic and paraben-free. They're designed to work together as a system to achieve maximum results that neither irritate your eyes nor expose you to the potential side effects of prescription products. You'll grow full, natural lashes that accentuate your eyes and make you feel beautiful. Step 1 is length. This is our growth serum. It's formulated from natural plant extracts that have been clinically proven to stimulate hair growth. One of the ingredients, Nigella sativa extract, contains essential amino acids, the building blocks your lashes need to grow. So Brianna, open up your tube. You'll find our doe foot applicator. I chose a doe foot instead of a brush because it acts like a sponge. There's more saturation of product on the tip, but it's less likely to flick you like a brush. And the shape allows you to get right into the root while still covering your existing lashes. So what I want you to do is from the outer corner to the inner corner, I want you to go on top of the lash line, and I want you to swipe all the way across on both sides. Okay. I like to start on the outside of the lash line versus the inner corner. You're going to get more saturation of product on the lashes that we want the longest. Great. So now I want you to flip it, and I want you to work from the outer corner of the lower lash line to the inner corner with the flat side of the doe foot applicator facing up towards the lashes. Okay. That makes sense. There's really no need to dip back in because of the way the applicator is created. You're going to have enough product for both sides. Perfect. Our growth serum works well on its own, and you will see results. But for the full benefit of the Daily Lash Ritual, let's move on to step 2. Livylash Layer is our keratin conditioning treatment. Your eyelashes are like any other hair follicle. They're made up of 90% keratin, which is a structural protein that strengthens the lash and protects the cells from damage and stress. When we introduce keratin, we're adding a nourishing, hydrating layer that mimics the natural polypeptide chains in your lashes, repairing any damage and promoting strength. So Brianna, we have 2 sides. We have a short side with shorter bristles, and we have the longer bristles on the other side. So let's start with the shorter bristles, okay? And I want you to take those shorter bristles and I want you to wiggle them through the root of the lash, working from the outer to the inner corner. All right. Great. This way, with the short side of the wand, we're getting into the root and we're adding extra strength into the root of the lash. So we have tons of strength from the base of the lash to support the length that we've created. Okay. Great. Now I want you to take the wand and I want you to turn it perpendicular to your lower lash line. And again, I want you to swipe from the outer to the inner corner of the lashes on both sides with a small wiggle. Again, we're getting into the root of the lower lashes because they also need to build strength too. Perfect. And then your final step, I want you to flip it so you have the longer bristles, and I want you to take those bristles into the top lashes again, go all the way through the tips of the lashes to fan and separate. Great. Livylash Layer is a great base to our Sculpting Mascara, which I'm going to show you how to use next. Livylash Lavish is our mascara, which provides not only the perfect finishing touch to your lashes, but also plays a major role in the Daily Lash Ritual. Hydration is key to healthy lashes, but some mascaras can actually dry your lashes out, making them prone to damage, including breakage. I developed our Sculpting Mascara with that in mind. Lavish is a smooth, lightweight mascara that's safe for lash lifts and lash extensions. And it contains aloe vera, which is a natural moisturizing agent that includes 20 amino acids in it to create healthy, hydrated lashes. I'm going to show Brianna how to use it. I did a precision wand for easy application so that you can get really sculpted, beautiful lashes. I want you to start on the center lashes, wiggle through, work to your outer lashes, wiggle through, and then to your inner lashes, wiggling through from base to tip. Okay. I like to start on the middle lashes, that way we have most impact right in the center, which creates a beautiful eye shape. Perfect, Brianna. Now I want you to flip the wand perpendicular so you have the tip of the precision brush, and I want you to start from the outer lash to the inner lash, wiggling across. Some people tend to use the wand horizontally. I think you have ease of application if you put it vertically, and you have more precision to get into the root of the lower lashes. Perfect. Beautiful. Each product in the Daily Lash Ritual contains a 6-month supply. But if you follow the system properly, you should start seeing results in as little as 2 to 3 weeks. This is the most effective, safe lash growth system I've ever used, and I'm super excited for you guys to try it. If you follow the instructions and stick with it, your natural lashes will be completely transformed.